guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aixa, and today we are going to be doing July's Boxycharm. Now, today's date is the 20th, and I just got my box in today, which is so disgusting to me. And this is like, it's so late in the month and I still haven't received my premium. My Ipsies I haven't received yet. I only received one of them and I'm still waiting for the other two. Like, it's basically the end of the month, so fair warning, the rest of this July's boxes will be in August, in the beginning of August, because that's mostly when I'm gonna get them. But let's talk about this Boxycharm. It is the basic box, of course, because the premium hasn't shipped, like I said. It's $21 a month. Free shipping, like free shipping is included and whatever. If you guys would like to sign up, I will leave the link in the description box below. You get over $120 worth of items or something like that, or just 100, something like that. You get your money's worth, sweetie, money's worth. So if you do not know, I do a try on with these. So I do a full face of makeup with the products that I receive inside of the box, or you know, play with it, review it, give you the tea, give you the tea on these products. So hopefully there's a card. I got trusty scissors and let's open it up. Okay, is there anything good? There's a card and I know that's good. Okay, so it looks like we got some skincare in here. Okay, so let's go over this. Okay, so the first thing we have is the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. It's an eye mask. Wow, that's nice. And this retails for $21. So this pays off the box alone, and it says that there's 12 pairs inside of this box. So I'm not gonna open it up, mostly because I'm not gonna play with it today, so I don't want to really open it. And we're just gonna move along and make the video go a little bit faster. Yeah. So the next thing we have is the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster, 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. So I'm assuming this is a serum. Directions: shake well before use, mix 1 or 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer and apply directly to skin after cleansing. So I guess it's a pollution defense booster. I don't know what that does, I don't know how that works, but this retails for $135. Baby, you're working miracles, because this is not a big like a big bottle. Like, no, you're working miracles, right? You're working miracles. So let's move on. So the next product we have is from Hourglass. It's a little broken, like not broken, but like the box, it looks like the box got a little smushed, but it's okay. It is the Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Yes, and it's crazy because I always need, not always need, but I always love a good brow pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Brunette. Things are flying today, huh? This retails for $28 for this little pencil. It's like an average price. It has a spoolie on one end, and it is, oh, it's like a little oval shape. It's not like an angled or like a point. It's like just oval shape. So that's different. Never seen that. So pretty excited to have to play with this today. Then we have 2 more items here. It's this and then 1 more item. This is the Doge Fierce and Fine Graphic Liner. So this must be like a felt tip liner. Yes, I love felt tip liners. And this, where are you? It's $21. And then the last thing we have is from Pure, is the Festival 2.0 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So let's open this up and see how it looks. I can't open it. My nails are not allowing me to. Now I could do it all nice and like classy, you know, like you're supposed to, or I can just tear the box apart. Oof. Oh, this is, I love the packaging, how they kept it as the carton was. So, this, ooh, this is nice. So, I don't think it's as colorful as the other one, but the other one wasn't really that colorful either. It had a lot of neutrals in it, but this one's really pretty. There's a few of them that I want to get my hands in. Like, Utopia is so pretty. I feel like it's like this greenish, bluish shade. Electric next to it, like this whole bottom, except VIP pass. Like the VIP pass is pretty and all, but these three here are calling out my name. I don't know how. Oh my god, I just got my whole finger in there. Ooh, whole finger in that. I don't know how I'm gonna make it work. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I kind of want to use these, but I can't. We gonna figure it out. So that was everything inside of this box. So I'm going to be playing with the palette, the eyeliner, and the eyebrow pencil. So what I think I am going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do my base makeup, and then we'll be back. I can do my eyebrows and then do the face. Yes. Okay, so I have the base done. So let's get into the brows. Okay, so we're gonna take the Hourglass brow pencil, and we are going to start by spooling out the brows. My hair is looking wild. I got a little bit of foundation in it, I got a little bit of powder in it, and it's just not pretty right now. So don't mind that, please, and thank you. Now we're gonna take the actual pencil part and we're gonna line the bottom, line the top, and fill.
Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta y salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Le gusta salir y seducir.
So I like the color of it. I like the pencil itself. It's a little thin, so I feel like I have to go really lightly. And also the tail end of this did not come out pretty, but we're not gonna focus on that right now. Just gonna let it live, you know? So we're just gonna glue down these brows, and we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I'm looking at myself, and this blush is very intense. So let's just dye that down a little bit, because girl, you is rosé. So let's move on. So I already have the lids primed, so we're gonna go in with the Festivals palette, and I think I'm gonna go for something a little bit more natural because I really can't think of something at the moment to do with these shades at the bottom. So we're just gonna go with something a little bit more natural. So we're just gonna take this Basic Beauty contour brush up, and we're gonna dip into Dreamland, which is like a peachy corally pink, and we're gonna put that in the crease. And my lids are primed with the Tarte Shape Dip Concealer. There is some kickback in this pan, which I personally don't mind as long as the pigment is there, and I can really see that the pigment is there, so it doesn't really bother me much. But I mean, I don't know how you guys feel about kickback in the pan, so you take it as you do. Now I'm just gonna take this AOA Studio E125 brush, and we're gonna dip into Turn It Up, which is like more of a pinky shade in the corner. Like I said, more natural, and I'm going very pink and like very pink generally. And actually I think I'm gonna make this a halo eye instead, so I'm actually going to put it in the inner corner, in it and outer V's of the lid. I got a little bit on my nose, so that's always fun. So I ended up closing it. I don't understand. It's fine. It's okay. But we're gonna take this AOA Studio E131 brush. It's like a flat synthetic, and we're just gonna dip into Euphoric, and we're gonna put that in the center. So So the eyeshadow didn't really apply when it was dry, so I sprayed a little setting spray on it and it applied a lot better. So I think that's what we're gonna do for the top, and I think I'm just going to line it with the Doge Fierce and Fine Graphic Liner. I'm not gonna wing it, just like line it towards like where the lash band will be. It applied actually pretty nice, and it was like very black and pigmented, and it even applied over the glitter, which I'm very impressed with because usually liners don't apply well over glitters, but it did very well on the glitter. So we're just gonna put on some mascara, and we're using the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect from Maybelline. And now we're going to put on some lashes, and we're using the Paint Splashes from Glamlight in the style Red. Usually my mascara is dry before I apply my lashes, but not this time. I have like mascara all on my fingers. And now we're gonna work on the bottom lashes, and I don't really know what I want to do, honestly. I think I'm just gonna do it a different color, because why not? We're trying to try out some colors here, right? So we're gonna go in with Fantasy Wear, which is that purple that I wanted to try. And we're just gonna run it through the bottom lash line because ooh, I don't think it's gonna look good, but just because. So it kind of doesn't look that bad, but it kind of makes me feel bad for what I'm about to do now, because I definitely don't think that what I'm about to do now is going to look good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this pencil brush. This is Pencil Me In MOTD, and I'm going to go in with Utopia, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner of the lid. Well, not the lid, the eye. It's not the best look, but it isn't the worst. So that's that, and we're just gonna go on back in with that Lash Sensational mascara and put it on the bottom lashes. Little lashes matter. Little lashes matter. So we're just going to set the face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is the one, the Pride Collection one. And now we are going to put on some lipstick, and we're using the Laura Lee Los Angeles in the shade Jaybird.
Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest.
And this is the final look. I'm not that mad at it, honestly. The liner was nice. The eyeshadow palette was nice. The only shade that actually had a lot of fallout was the first shade that I used. But other than that, it was nice. The brow pencil was nice. So I'm pretty impressed with this box. The products were good. I liked it. I would see myself reaching for them again. So yeah, I definitely want to see if I can find or figure out a look maybe to play with electric, and like this look, I'm honestly not that mad at it. I feel like it came out nicer than I envisioned it to look. Like I just thought it was gonna be like, oh whatever, who cares? It's kind of pretty, honestly. I would do it again maybe one day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, just leave a little comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see me do next. If you want me to unbox anything, review anything, or anything, just let me know. Any clothes, anything you can think of in this entire world, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
see your belly boop when the beat drops.